Hey everyone, it's Trish back again with another vlog, and today was one of them crazy lazy days where it was raining in the morning, then the sun came out, and then you didn't know if it was going to rain more, so it was like kind of like a lazy day, you know, slash I want to do something but I don't. So pretty much I did most of my daily stuff, cleaning, pretty much mopping, you know, all that fun stuff, dusting, and then did the dishes, did some clothes, stuff like that. So my daily routine, that's what my daily routine is. So then later on tonight, my kids went out and played for a little bit, and I decided, well, let's go to Target. I said I was going to buy an iPad, and I did. So I got the iPad in white, but I got a 16 gig, and I thought, well, maybe it will be fine to get, but after really reviewing all the stuff we have to put on, we realized why bother to open this and then it not be enough. And then I also, so this is my little shopping haul that I did, that I'm doing, nothing major. I bought another M317 wireless Logitech mouse, which I highly recommend this. It is a great mouse. I have two other, I have one in pink and then I have one in like a floral with a ladybug. And for $12 now, get out to Target because once the sale's over, they're back up to $24.99. So I am, every time I've been going to Target, I've been picking up one of these. So I'm actually going to go tomorrow to the Common one, and I'm going to go pick up one or two of them there. And that's only $24, so it's well worth it. It's always good to have that extra mouse laying around. And then I also picked up Club Penguin membership for my son for 1 month, which I think is a great game. It's not nothing educational, but it's fun for the kids, especially at summertime. When school starts, they will not be playing this stuff because I don't allow it. And then I bought, last but final, save the best, Sour Patch watermelons. And as you can tell, there's only a little bit left. I am recording this actually on my MacBook Pro Retina display. I was using my iPhone, and then I'm like, you know what? I'll wait till my son gets off because the iPhone was like, I don't know, it was all messed up. So tomorrow I will have a complete review of my iPad, which everybody knows what the iPad Retina is. I'll have like just different like game recommendations and just stuff like that. I have pages I use a lot of different things for like my son's medical records. I have to have everything I was told written down on paper. I'm not allowed to have it just on my gadgets. Yes, that's a good place to have it. So if I need to make copies for family, which I have to do, I have to give all of the notes and all the information to my family members as they told me, because my son's condition is stable, but anytime anything can happen. And it's always good to know that the family knows everything that they need to know. But I just made all his appointments for follow-up. He has, so far right now, well, we went to 2, so we have like 12 more to go to. But we got to see when we go back if he needs to go to the other ones, because there's like 3 of them that he goes on a daily basis. Well, there's 3 that he goes not on a daily basis, but like a 6 months to a year basis, because they're just like regular, like ear, nose, and throat. And then in like heart, he was just at neurology, so stuff like that. So yeah, that's basically what I've been doing, calling doctors, arguing with doctors, because it seems like, well, this kid has a mitochondrial disease, mitochondrial doesn't have a cool cure, his liver is bad, let's just move on to the next kid because we can't do nothing, which is understandable, you know. He is stable, he's just got a lot of problems with his hips. I was going to actually call the doctors back, but I'm like, I don't know what to do. It's like, you're in this, he has to have all these tests on it, it's like things just ain't working. Yeah, so, I know, I'm not going to keep on ranting about my son, but I will one day come and do a whole vlog about my son's conditions, about everything, once I am able to fully talk about his conditions. So I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.